I don't see anyone else around, so not going to ruin anyone's day. Pretty cool historical building. Wow, I didn't expect it would work on these roads, but I'm not sure where it exactly is going. I think the speed limit is 28 on this road. Okay, we're down to 8 miles an hour now. I don't think it knows if that's a road or not. It's supposed to turn left here, but I think it just gave up on turning left. Okay, we're going off the road here, so I am going to take over. What? You're driving off the road and I turned, and then you get mad at me? Alright, well. Alright, we'll go there. Turn it on. See if it can get out of here on its own. Going 5 miles an hour. At least it's, you know, respectful. Oh, and we're stopped. Okay. Car is not happy. I don't think it can see that it's on a road very well. Okay, we're getting a bit too far to the left. Alright, you need a turn, car. Oh my gosh. Let me try that again. Was it really just going to drive right off the cliff there? So I'm going to stop with, okay, let's try this again. I gotta put it in drive properly. There we go, okay. Now you gotta go around the corner, car. You can't go straight off the road. Okay, it's going straight, still going straight, still going straight. Oh my gosh. It's just gonna drive right off that cliff. I'll do it a third time just to give it a lot more distance here. So the car can clearly see it can't go straight. FSD's engaged again. Now we're not moving at all. Alright, let's go, car. Okay. Alright, you gotta turn. You have to turn, car. You have to turn. You have to turn. You have to... Alright, I'm stopping again. Alright, that is 3 times there. It tried to drive me over a cliff, so I don't know about that one. Alright, let's go around the corner of death here and engage it again. Definitely not speedy. Which is fine. I mean, I don't think 5 miles an hour is unreasonable driving through a cemetery here. Oh my god, he's driving off the edge again. See that? It drove off the edge. They're just going to drive down the hill. Alright, it's engaged again. Give it a little acceleration. Turning to the right. My gosh. Did it again. I like how it drives off the road, then yells at me for correcting it. Alright. I mean, it is driving in the grass. Completely in the grass. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Why is it yelling at me? So this is, I don't know why it lets you engage it. Here it goes again. Completely off the road. Oh my goodness. Try again. Pushing the accelerator. It's not going. I don't want it to go into this giant ditch here. Okay, we're on the edge. A little too far over, I would say. You gotta turn left here, car. You gotta turn left. Oh, I guess it's up here. Alright, now it's working. I guess the road curves left, so knowing the car is going to go straight into that dirt pile up there. Alright, we got to go left, car. Yes, left. There we go. Good, good. That's it. We stopped. I'll hit the accelerator. Just a tiny bit. We'll go. Okay, it's on the grass now. Disengage. Oh my gosh. Why does it yell at me every time? Alright, let's try again. This is perfectly straight. Yeah, it should not let you engage the self-driving if it's gonna, you know, drive you off a road. Like, if it cannot handle this situation, it shouldn't engage it, or let it be engaged. Alright, we're too far to the right now. Like, I don't understand why it cannot, it's off the road again. Alright. Come on, car, you can do it. We're almost there. We're too far to the left. Alright, car, you can do it. You can exit now, right? How hard could this be? We're not going quickly, but I guess we're going to exit. Thinks there's a person there, and there's not a... Oh, we're in a cemetery. That's kind of freaky. Alright. Okay, the car accelerated very slowly from there, so maybe it's traumatized from that experience.